Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? CH plus hop plus stick plus zzz. Ch, hop, stick, zzz. Chopsticks. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you all. Welcome to our show. And welcome back also to these two contestants, two very good players on Classic Concentration. The young lady on my right has won $6,594 in prizes. This is Rebecca Fowler.
Sorry.
That's all right. That's all right. You're excited about being here, I know. And you want to win some more prizes. And so does your opponent, because he, too, has won a game. Eric Fry is his name. Welcome back to you.
Thank you, Alex.
Now, you're ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Watch out for this young lady.
She's
because
good.
She
She's
took
good.
it to you in that last game.
She whooped me, I think is what we call it.
Yes, on yesterday's program. Take a look over here, contestants, and we'll show you one of the prizes in this game.
Every month, a scrumptiously different dessert will arrive at your home. Each dessert is made to serve 12 and is delivered in a reusable designer tin, furnished by Dessert of the Month Club. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. I was over there sampling some of those desserts a few moments ago, and are they good. All right, Rebecca and Eric, take a look at the board. We'll show you where you can find Dessert of the Month at number 25. A Virginia Mountain Lake Resort vacation is available in this first game today as well. Eric, you go first.
Well, let's see what's right in the middle of the puzzle under number 13.
Washer and dryer.
Oh, I could use that. I like clean clothes. How about let's see number 9 for a match?
Oak table collection. No match. Rebecca?
Well, I like that washer and dryer, too. Let's see what's behind number 4.
Electronic typewriter.
Oh, that sounds interesting. How about the match to that under number 17?
Diamond topaz ring. No match. Eric?
Let's see what's under number 7.
Table tennis set.
Is that a fancy way of saying ping pong?
I suppose that's a fancy way of saying ping pong
yeah.
set. We've got a lot of paddles here, Eric. A lot of good paddles.
Well, let's find the match for that ping pong set under number 10.
Virginia Mountain Lake Resort. Is that another way of saying holiday?
Thank you, Eric. I hope I can find a match to that. Let's see what's behind number 16.
Green take.
Okay, and number 19 for the match?
No, Virginia Mountain Lake Resort vacation, Eric.
Well, let's try number, what do you say, 10? And 19.
10 and 19 works for the holiday. Open it up, please.
Don't let me get a cake.
Go again.
How about number 2?
Red take.
Did we see that under? No. How about 6?
Diamond and topaz ring, Rebecca.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 17.
Diamond and topaz
And number
ring.
6 for the match.
Yes. She's tough. Open it up.
I can't solve it yet.
All right, pick again.
Okay, I want to see what's behind number 14.
Wild card.
And the match for the red take under number 2.
2 is the red take. The other red take is at number 18. Is it going to stay here for long, I wonder, Rebecca?
Well, for just a few minutes.
All right. She gave you fair
let you-
warning a few moments ago, Eric. She said, don't let me get a take.
She said that.
I sure did, and I want
But
you to
she's not
sweat.
grabbing your vacation right now.
No.
She's going to take a look at the puzzle.
I want him to sweat.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Rebecca is cute, but mean. Let's open these 3 doors for you. Select again.
Let's see what's behind number 8.
15 of your favorite compact discs.
Oh, I like that. Let's see what's behind number 24.
CD player. They go well together.
They go well together.
But they do not match. Eric.
Well, I would like to find the green takes. How about 22?
Electronic typewriter.
And 4.
Correct. There's a match for the young man, and another look at the puzzle as well.
Well, that's about as clear as mud, Alex.
Okay, then pick again.
Pick again. How about number 20?
Compact discs.
Okay, I bet you 8.
Yep. Eric has to take his time figuring this out. He's got to try to remember. And he
Just
goes, oh,
mosey
yeah, there it
along.
is. And he gets it right. Open it up. Go again.
Number 16, please.
Green.
That's a green take. I need a wild card or a match. Under number 15. There it is, there it is. Oh!
No, that's the
ping pong.
Oh, I'm sorry.
set.
Doggone it.
Rebecca.
Can't say I remember anything now. Let's see what's behind number 21
Green take.
and number, I just drew a blank, 11. Oh, the dessert of the month.
Yeah, I had the green take in my hand, ready to give it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Will I give it to Eric?
Thank you very much. Number 16
Green take.
and 21.
Green take.
Okay.
Topaz and diamond ring, and you have a bride. have you
Well,
not?
I have a bride, but I already won a gold bracelet. Thank you, bracelet. So I'm going to wait on that.
All right. 2 more panels opening up, this time for Eric's benefit. Select again.
Number 23.
Wild card.
Yes. Well, how about number 1?
Oak table collection. We saw that down below a little earlier. Let's reveal it now. Number 9, the oak table collection. You still have the take, and I take it you want to save it or grab something.
Well, let's
Save it.
Save it?
Yes.
Well, no. I'll save it. I'm saving it.
He's going to
I'll
save it. He is
I'll
toying.
save it.
He is toying with Rebecca and with the
Yeah.
people in our studio
trying to
audience.
make
Open
me
these
sweat.
3 doors for him, please. Try it again.
How about number 12?
Washer and dryer.
Oh, we saw that under 24.
No, that's
No,
the
that's
CD
the CD
player.
player.
Rebecca,
Okay, I want to see what's behind number 13
washer and dryer.
and number 12 for the match.
Washer and dryer. Now, we're getting down to where there isn't going to be that much hidden on this puzzle. Do you want to use your take? He has some
take my
valuable
take.
prizes.
Take my take.
I do want to use my tape, and I want to take that
Typewriter.
Virginia Resort.
All right, the Virginia
got it.
Resort.
Got
You
it.
realize, of course, ladies and gentlemen, that if Eric gets control of the board, he'll probably snatch that back immediately. But for the moment, this board belongs to Rebecca as she takes a look with these 2 doors opening up. Pick again.
What's behind number 11
Dessert
and
of the
number
month.
25?
Dessert of the month.
I told you I wanted that
You're going to get a shot at the dessert. Let's open it up and see. Rebecca, there is still a wild card up there.
Oh, great.
Let's see if
don't-
you can find it.
dessert. I think we've seen number 3.
Wild card.
Yes.
So it matters not which you select now. You're going to clear the entire puzzle.
24.
24 is the CD player. The other CD player is at 5. That prize goes up here. Those 3 doors open. 7 and 15 will be the table tennis set, or as Eric Fry likes to call it, the ping pong set. When we open these doors, Rebecca, solve the puzzle and win the match. Eric?
Is it milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And Eric has done it. Breaking Rebecca's heart.
Rebecca,
Let's go to the board, Eric.
love you. The pepper mill was giving me some trouble. The mill plus the K, milk, and this is chalk plus let. Milk chocolate.
No, not quite. You forgot about the hoe in the middle.
Oh, milk chocolate.
Milk
Ho-net.
chocolate. Chocolate. Milk chocolate is right, and Rebecca, we're going to have to say goodbye to you with 2 strikes against you. However, close to $6,600 in prizes, which
Thank
is
you,
really
Alex.
nice.
I had fun.
Congratulations to you, Rebecca.
Good luck. Win
So
a
long.
car.
All right, Eric, more prizes coming your way. Not the resort vacation, but some other stuff. Gene?
15 favorite compact discs, an electronic typewriter, and an oak table collection. Ashley's contemporary oak table with movable casters, impressive veneer patterns, gracefully arched, solid wood legs, smoke bevel cut glass inserts, and cane bottom shelves, furnished by Ashley.
And an opportunity to play for a brand new car once again after this. Made it back in the nick of time. All right, Eric's ready to do this. 15 numbered squares are in position, and the clock is now up to 40 seconds for you. Eric, good luck. Go to work.
4-6.
No,
1-3.
no,
7-9.
no,
10-12.
no,
3-12.
no,
13-15.
no.
3-15.
Yes,
14-9.
yes,
11-6.
no,
1-8.
no.
11-1.
Yep,
5-12.
no,
5-10.
no,
6-13.
no,
7-2.
no. Yeah, it's not going to work again.
Went brain dead, actually.
Oh, well, that's all right. You didn't go brain dead in the games, and you're up to $5,461 in prizes there. And that is very good going, and I see we're getting a new contestant in place, a new opponent for Eric after this. We're delighted to welcome a young lady who went looking for Mr. Wright and found him, and as a result, she is now Mrs. Stephanie Wright. Welcome to our program.
Thank you.
Cute. You like that? All right, what do you two do? How long have you been married?
Almost 8 years. Can
Really?
you believe that? We live up in Visalia, California. Have 2 children.
How old?
Oh, gosh, that's a trick question. 3.5 and 3 months.
Oh, brand
A boy
new.
and a girl. Yep,
Ah.
brand new, just like you. Brand
Good
new
for
baby.
you, yes.
Yep.
Eric, we mentioned on yesterday's program, is from the Pasadena area, and he told us that he was married. How long have you and your wife been married?
4 years.
4 years. Any little ones in your household?
No, she's pushing, though. But we're waiting.
You're waiting for what?
I graduate from seminary in June, so after that.
Which seminary do you attend?
Fuller Seminary in Pasadena.
Okay, so you're going to be a Presbyterian
Presbyterian minister.
minister? All right, and you want to win some more prizes, don't you?
Yeah.
Presbyterian
Yeah.
ministers do not get a lot of money, so let's check out another one of our prizes.
Part of Adler & Company's diamond jewelry collection, a stunning diamond necklace crafted in 14-karat gold. This necklace features 15 sparkling diamonds, a beautiful addition to any woman's wardrobe, furnished by Adler & Company. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. We'll show Stephanie and Eric where they can find that on the board. The diamond and gold necklace is at number 2. We've got $500 in the cash pot. We have a San Francisco getaway and 5 bonus car seconds. And Stephanie, you go first. You're the newcomer.
Okay, let's look for that necklace under number 1, please.
A deli meat slicer.
That would mean I'd have to enter my kitchen, actually. Number 13.
Or you could slice meat in the garage. San Francisco getaway. No match. Eric.
Well, let's look under number 9.
Stereo.
Well, we like stereo. I won some CDs last time. How about number 17?
No. Green take. Stephanie.
Okay, how about number 18, please?
Wild card.
Oh, San Francisco under number 13, I
13
think?
it is. Yes, the San Francisco getaway is there. The other one, the right-hand corner at number 5. Prize goes up. Down here, 3 doors open up. It's always very quiet after the doors open early in the game until we hear the buzzer. Pick again, Stephanie.
Number 19.
Bedroom set.
I could use a new bedroom set. Number 16 for the match.
Gas range, no match. Eric.
Gas range. Let's try number 6.
Bedroom set.
And 19.
Yep. I have a feeling, Eric, that you're one of those individuals who has a brain that likes to you put it on cruise control and then it suddenly kicks in.
Well, doesn't even kick in a whole lot, Alex. I'll tell you, it's cruise control most of the time.
Well, it's been kicking in beautifully for you on our program, and as a result, you've made another match. Another prize comes your way, and another look at the puzzle as well. Select.
Well, how about number 4?
Wild card. What do you want to match that with?
Well, there's a meat slicer up there, but gonna have to miss that one, I think.
Really?
How about number 20?
20 is the stereo.
Yes.
We saw that a little earlier at number 9. So that prize goes into your column. These doors open up, and you get to study the puzzle. Pick again.
Number 17.
Green take.
And I'd like to match for that, or a wild card under number 12.
Diamond and gold necklace. No match. Stephanie?
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Number 1?
Number 1? Deli meat slicer.
That's a deli meat slicer.
Yes, you didn't want to say one, did you? You wanted to say another number. But now,
Now
don't
I'm
say
gonna
that
match
number.
it. 23.
23 is a red tape. No match. Eric?
Number 2.
Diamond and gold
number
necklace.
12.
2
for
and
the match.
12 will match for the gold necklace. And another prize, another look.
Is it, all joking aside?
He started his response or his solution before our buzzer. He says, all joking aside. And he is correct. No jokes. Come on, Eric. Go to the board quickly and explain this puzzle.
Well, we have the infamous all with the J plus the ho, Joe plus the king, joking, ace plus the I plus the D, aside.
All joking aside, you play this game very, very well, Eric. Congratulations. You've just handed Stephanie her first X. It's a bunny rabbit, actually, in keeping with the season. But we'll see you in the next game,
will be
Stephanie.
back.
I know you will. We'll see you then. All right, Eric, let's hear about these prizes. New stuff for you. Gene.
A bedroom set. Bassett's Old World bedroom set with its warm cherry finish includes a single dresser with an oval mirror, a 6-drawer chest, a sleigh bed with wood rails and 2 nightstands, furnished by Bassett Furniture, and a stereo. Symphonics compact stereo system is packed with advanced features, AM, FM, quartz tuner, dual cassette deck, turntable, remote control, and incredible sounding 2-way speakers furnished by Symphonic. And, of course, the beautiful diamond gold necklace. And Eric, you have a prize package worth $3,909.
Another very nice win for you, and perhaps a brand new car as well when we return. My hot little tip, if you are going to call that number, do it in the afternoon. You stand a much better chance of getting through to our contestant coordinators. All right, Eric, this is your 3rd time in the winner's circle. Could be a charm for you. 15 numbered squares are up there, and the clock with 45 seconds on it. Good luck. Go to work.
13-15.
No.
10-12.
No.
7-9.
Nope.
4-6.
No again.
12-2.
Nope.
1-3.
No.
2-11.
Nope.
4-8.
No.
13-9.
No. It's going to get funnier.
11-15.
You're going to be laughing.
We're having a good time now,
Yes,
aren't
we
we?
are.
How about 6-10?
No. Try 312.
3-12 would be good.
Hey!
Hey, there you go.
No fair. Alex helped him.
And 6-4.
6-4? No. You notice, ladies and gentlemen, the only match was made by me, but Eric has $9,370, and he's won all of that on his own. We're coming back after this break.
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly wall coverings designed to beautify and customize your home. You may choose from My Favorite Things collection, furnished by Waverly. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
So we can say goodbye.
Bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.